The Recipe Room. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of cooking trout to perfection. Trout is a delightful fish that can be prepared in various ways. Follow along as we share a comprehensive guide to help you create a delicious and flavorful trout dish. Step 1. Selecting fresh trout. Begin by choosing fresh trout from a trusted source. Look for clear, bright eyes, shiny skin, and a fresh aroma. If possible, opt for whole trout as it tends to have more flavor. Ensure that the fish has been properly cleaned and scaled for convenience. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Gather the ingredients needed for the recipe. Fresh trout, whole or fillets. Lemon wedges. Fresh herbs, such as dill, parsley, or thyme. Salt and pepper. Olive oil. Optional, garlic cloves, butter, or other preferred seasonings. Step 3. Seasoning and enhancing flavor. Generously season both the inside and outside of the trout with salt and pepper. If desired, stuff the cavity of the fish with lemon wedges and a few sprigs of fresh herbs to infuse it with aromatic flavors as it cooks. You can also experiment with additional seasonings according to your taste preferences. Step 4. Choosing the cooking method. Trout can be cooked using various methods, including grilling, baking, pan-searing, or even smoking. Select the cooking method that suits your preferences and available equipment. In this video, we will demonstrate the baking method. Step 5. Baking the trout. Preheat your oven to a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place the seasoned trout on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or aluminum foil to prevent sticking. Drizzle olive oil over the fish to enhance moisture and flavor. Bake the trout for approximately 12–15 minutes, or until the flesh is opaque and easily flakes with a fork. Step 6. Garnishing and serving. Once the trout is fully cooked, remove it from the oven and carefully transfer it to a serving platter. Garnish the fish with fresh herbs and lemon wedges for an appealing presentation. Serve the trout alongside your preferred side dishes, such as steamed vegetables, roasted potatoes, or a fresh salad. Congratulations! You've learned how to cook trout using the baking method. Remember to select fresh trout, season it well, and bake it until the flesh is tender and flaky. With these techniques, you can create a delightful and flavorful trout dish that will impress your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your delicious meal. Thanks for watching.